today in this video I consider some examples on sequences. How to prove that given sequence converges using concept of monotonic sequences. You have studied two theorems. A monotonically increasing sequence which is bounded above converges. A monotonically decreasing sequence which is bounded below converges to greatest lower bound. And if it is not bounded below and it is monotonically decreasing, it diverges. And it is bounded above, it is monotonically increasing, not bounded above, then it diverges to plus infinity. And also you have studied algebra of limits of a sequence. Now see, the problem is, I consider one by one. Show that the sequence xn where x1 is equal to 1, xn is square root of 2 plus xn minus 1 is convergent and converges to 2. See, first study the problem here. Sequence will be given by writing its nth term. Here sequence is given by writing its nth term. Xn is square root of 2 plus xn minus 1. x1 is given as 1. Now here we prove that the sequence is, we verify whether it is monotonically increasing or decreasing first. Suppose it is monotonically increasing, then we find out whether it is bounded above. If it is bounded above and increasing, then it converges. Now for that we use here induction here, mathematical induction. What is the principle of mathematical induction? You have studied. If it is true for xk, we assume that it is true for xk, and if after assuming that it is true for k, if we prove that it is true for k plus 1, then it is true for every integer n, every positive integer n. So we use induction here. What is given? x1 is 1. What is x2? Square root of 2 plus x1. Square root of 2 plus x2 is, yes, x1 is 1. x2 is, what is given? xn is 2 plus xn minus 1. x2 is 2 plus x1. 2 plus 1, it is root 3. x3 is square root of x3. Substitute here 3 here. 2 plus x2 square root of 2 plus what is x2? Root 3, and so on. Now here x1 is less than x2 less than x3. Correct? Is it true? X1 is, you can easily see here, x1 is 1, x2 is root 3. Root 3 is greater than 1. And square root of 2 plus root 3 is greater than root 3. Therefore, x1 is less than x2 less than x3. See, we have taken a few terms here, x2 greater than x1 and x3 greater than x2. But we have to prove that it is true for xn plus 1 is greater than xn for all n. Then only we can conclude that it is monotonically increasing. So, we use mathematical induction here, and we assume that xk minus 1 is less than xk for some fixed integer k. Then 2 plus, say what do we do here? We assume that xk minus 1 is less than xk and prove that xk is less than xk plus 1. Then by induction, for every n, xn plus 1 is greater than xn. So we add here, it is our assumption, xk minus 1 is less than xk. Therefore 2 plus xk minus 1 is less than 2 plus sk. So square root of 2 plus xk minus 1 is less than square root of 2 plus xk. What is root of 2 plus xk minus 1? Use the definition. What is square root of 2 plus xk minus 1? Xk is less than 2 plus xk. Using this, xk plus 1. This I think all of you understood this one. 2 plus xk minus 1 is root is xk. Square root of 2 plus xk is xk plus 1. Thus, xk plus minus 1 is less than xk implies xk is less than xk plus 1. Therefore, xn plus 1 is greater than xn for all n. Hence, this sequence xn is monotonically increasing. So in this type of problem, it is important. After assuming it is true for k minus 1, we have proved that it is true for k also. This is called mathematical induction. So xn plus 1 is n greater than xn for all n. For all n. So xn is monotonically increasing. First part. So we have proved that xn is monotonically increasing. Next is we prove that xn is bounded. Further, we prove that sequence xn is bounded above by 2. Bounded above by 2 means we prove that xn is less than or equal to 2 for all n. You know that when the sequence is said to be bounded, we prove that xn is less than or equal to 2 for all n. See, here we have proved that it is monotonically increasing. If we prove that it is less than or equal to 2 for all n, then the sequence is convergent. Monotonically increasing, bounded. This now again we prove this by induction. How to prove by induction? Suppose xn is less than or equal to 2 for some n. Then xn plus 1 is equal to square root of 2 plus xn is equal to square root of 2 plus xn is less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 2, so it is 2. Xn plus 1 is also less than or equal to 2. Understand? Suppose xn is less than or equal to 2 for some n, maybe n is 1, 2, 3, any n, then xn plus 1 is also less than or equal to 2. See here, because using definition here, what is xn plus 1? Go to the definition how xn is defined. Xn plus 1 is square root of 2 plus xn, because it is defined like this. Xn is square root of 2 plus xn minus 1. So xn plus 1 is square root of 2 plus xn. If xn is less than or equal to 2, xn plus 1 is also less than or equal to 2. Hence, by induction, by mathematical induction, xn is less than or equal to 2 for all n. So what happened? Sequence xn is monotonically increasing and it is bounded above by 2. Therefore, it converges. Now to find the limit, let limit xn is L. Say two things we have proved. One is the sequence given by this, nth term is xn is square root of 2 plus xn minus 1 is monotonically increasing and bounded above by 2. Now we find out the limit of the sequence. For that, let limit xn is L. We have xn plus 1 is square root of 2 plus xn. Correct? Therefore, xn plus 1 whole square is 2 plus xn. 2 plus xn. Therefore, limit xn plus 1 whole square is equal to limit 2 plus xn. See, we have assumed that limit xn is L. What do you mean by xn plus 1? This is also L, because limit xn is L means this xn tends to L. Xn tends to L means xn plus 1, xn plus 2, xn plus 3 all tends to L only. Therefore, L square is 2 plus L. So L square minus 2L minus L minus 2 is 0. Limit is obtained by L is obtained from this. So solving this, L minus 2 into L plus 1 is 0. Factorized. So L is 2, L is minus 1. But L cannot be negative here because it is xn is root of xn plus 2 plus xn minus 1. No term of the sequence is negative here. Therefore L is 2. So limit of the sequence is 2. Standard problem it is, and you try to understand how to solve the problem. Here two things were important. First is you have to verify whether it is monotonically increasing or decreasing. You have to prove by mathematical induction. Once again, by mathematical induction you have to prove that it is bounded, and then take L is the limit of the sequence and find out L. You will get usually quadratic equation in L. From that you have to find out L. One exactly similar problem. Prove that the sequence defined by u1 is root 7 and un plus 1 is square root of 7 plus un converges to the positive root of x square minus x minus 7 is 0. Problem is exactly similar. First verify whether it is increasing or decreasing. I think it is monotonically increasing. Then prove that it is bounded above. Then as in the previous problem, use the same technique to find out limit of the sequence. You will get limit of the sequence as a quadratic equation given by a quadratic equation x square minus x minus 7 is equal to 0. Limit of the sequence is given by this. Say, okay, I explain how to prove this. What is given? Given u1 is root 7 and un plus 1 is square root of 7 plus un. We prove by mathematical induction. It is bounded. For that, what is u2? u2 is square root of 7 plus u1. Square root of 7 plus root 7. Is it greater than root 7 or less than root 7? Greater than root 7. Therefore, u1. Say, it is simple. Take u2, it is root of 7 plus u1. u1 is given root 7. Therefore, u2 is greater than u1. Let for n is equal to k, uk plus 1 is greater than uk. So we use principle of induction here. What is the principle of induction? For we assume that for some n is equal to k, uk plus 1 is greater than uk. Then what you have to prove? If we prove that uk plus 2 is greater than uk plus 1, then by induction un is greater than or un plus 1 is greater than un for all n. That is principle of induction. For n is equal to k, let uk plus 1 is greater than uk. Therefore 7 plus uk plus 1 is greater than 7 plus uk. Added 7 both sides. Therefore square root of 7 plus uk plus 1 is greater than 7 plus uk. See why we have added 7 is it is given in terms of 7 plus un. Therefore, what is 7 plus uk plus 1? uk plus 2 it is. What is 7 plus uk? Follow now by definition. Root of 7 plus un is un plus 1. What is root of 7 plus uk? uk plus 1. Therefore, uk plus 1 greater than implies uk plus 2 is greater than uk plus 1. Therefore, by induction, un plus 1 is greater than un for all n. See the first part. It is monotonically increasing. Now the definition of increasing sequence. Sequence is monotonically increasing. Second is we have to prove that it is bounded. Second part, we prove that sequence un is bounded. Sequence un is bounded. Bounded above, it is increasing, and prove that it is bounded above by 7. By 7. For that, u1 is root 7 less than 7. And let un is less than 7 for n is equal to k. Again we use induction here. We prove that it is bounded above by 7. u1 is less than 7. Assume that un is 7 for n is equal to k. Therefore, uk is less than 7. Now, 7 plus uk is less than 14. Add 7. Root of 7 plus uk is less than root 14. Correct? Root 14 is less than 7. But what is root of 7 plus uk? Go to the definition. Root of 7 plus uk is uk plus 1 is less than 7. So, if we assume that un is less than 7 for n is equal to k, we get uk plus 1 is also less than 7. What happens? Un is less than 7 for all n. Therefore, sequence un is bounded above by 7. Sequence is monotonically increasing, that we proved by induction, and also sequence is bounded above by 7, that also by induction. Now, we have to prove that the limit of the sequence is given by the positive root of x square minus x minus 7 is 0. For that, how to prove this? Let limit un is L. We have, what is given? We have un plus 1 is root of 7 plus un, correct? Suppose limit un is L. What do I have to prove now? This L is given by the positive root of that quadratic equation. Un is, limit un is L. But we have un plus 1 is 7 plus un. Therefore, limit un plus 1 is limit root of 7 plus un. See, if limit un is L, un plus 1 is also L, is root of 7 plus L. This is important. If limit un is L, un plus 1, un plus 2 all L. Because the nth term it is, un is L. Therefore, L square is 7 plus L. L square minus L minus 7 is 0. What is L? Limit of the sequence. So, limit of the sequence is given by this. And also, limit of the sequence is given by positive root of this. Because, see the terms of the sequence, they are positive. u1, u2, u3 all are positive. And it is monotonically increasing. Therefore, it tends to positive root of this equation. Therefore, L, the root limit of the sequence L is given by the positive root of x square minus x minus 7 is 0. Positive root of this. Positive root of L square minus L minus 7 and x square minus x minus 7 you will get same. So the root of this the limit of this sequence is given by positive root of x square minus x minus 7 is 0. See, these are the two problems. The type of example important here, and you can go through the previous year's examination papers, and these are the important questions. This type of examples were asked in the previous examination. Now I consider some more examples in the next coming videos. One problem, you take this as exercise. Prove that the sequence un defined by u1 is root 2, un plus 1 is square root of 2 plus un converges to the positive root of, defined by un converges to the positive root of the equation x square minus x minus 2 is 0. So in this problem, first you have to prove that it is monotonically increasing, bounded above by 2, and limit of the sequence is given by this positive root of this equation. And remaining some different types of problems I solve in the next video. Thank you.